On the floor of the New York Stock Exchange with our Jim Cramer, who's going to answer your Twitter questions. Jim, we're here. Stocks are trading. Yeah. Our first question has to do with yesterday, the outages, the NYSE, UAL. Why no discussion on who provides the servers or the routers, the consultants? Are they public companies?
Well, the main one that's involved in software, when you hear a software upgrade, is Red Hat. And I think one of the reasons no discussion is you don't know whether it was someone who was putting in a Red Hat new software program, because Red Hat's really the best there is, and everybody uses Red Hat, so I find it is hard to pin them down. I think that one of the reasons why people didn't look at it, frankly, is because, well, it's just not, place is not as important as it used to be. Tom Farley, I thought, was very good being out there saying, listen, we weren't going to open them until we were absolutely sure. And you know what? That was right, because there was plenty of other places to route stocks to. So it just wasn't that important, and I think that we're going to end up thinking that it was human error. And human error is not a way to play anything.
All right, about playing stocks now, Jim. A couple of questions on retailers today, including Walmart. Somebody writes in, I see strong fundamentals at a bargain price. Is it time to buy it?
Well, I think Walmart's bottomed. I prefer Costco, which is coming back off. Now, when I say Walmart's bottom, here's the problem with a stock that's bottomed. Same thing with McDonald's. It doesn't mean it's necessarily going to go up. It does mean that maybe it stopped going down. And when I see a Walmart stop going down, that makes me want to go buy an Ulta. I like the ones that have the fastest growth, not the slowest growth. It makes me want to go buy a Kroger. It makes me want to go buy some of the really excellent retailers that are out there that have had put unbelievable number of raw stores, TJX. That's what I want to buy when I see that Walmart's getting better. Dollar stores, by the way. I didn't like that Dollar Tree under that Morgan Stanley started with a sell. That doesn't seem right to me.
All right, a couple of other questions on retailers. Oshkosh or Michael Kors? Any thoughts on those?
No, I'm not interested in either one.
All right, let's move to energy. What's going on with Chesapeake? It popped 15% this week. I thought they were decreasing production.
Well, I mean, natural gas, actually, the volumes are coming through for natural gas. Now, pricing's not that good, but there's strong demand. June was an incredibly strong month of demand for natural gas. And by the way, just so you know, Mexico is importing a huge amount of natural gas. They're having problems down in Mexico with producing their own. I don't like Chesapeake, but every dog has its day.
Question on Comcast. Is the stock going to continue to climb? And oh, by the way, go Eagles.
Okay. Oh, yeah, Philadelphia. Obviously, I work for Comcast. Comcast is the quintessential domestic play. It's a utility with very good pricing. And Comcast represents a kind of the safest haven. Now, they have huge profitable growth. They have tremendous cash flow. I've always been a believer in Comcast well before I worked for Comcast, when I worked for General Electric. And the main reason, not just because I'm from Philadelphia and very proud of Comcast, but the main reason is the cash flow. They have the most profitable operational cash flow of any of the companies I follow, and that's what you need at a time of international turmoil.
Jim Cramer, as always, thanks so much. I'm Rhonda Schaffler for The Street.